All right, we are in our second grade math book. It is MyMath on page 12. And we are going to be talking about adding sums, and we are going to learn a couple of new words. Okay? You can add to find a sum. Each number you add is called an addend. The answer is the sum. So, if we have 3 plus 5, the number 3 is called addend. The number 5 is called addend. The number 8, because 3 plus 5 is 8, is called the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also flip these numbers around, and you'll still get the same answer. 5 is an addend, 3 is an addend, and the sum is still 8. We're going to trace that 8. However you like to trace 8s is fine. All right, let's look down here. Any number plus 0 equals that number. This is called the identity property. The number 5 addend plus a 0 addend gives you a sum, which is the answer to an addition problem. The answer is 5. This is called identity. If you see a 0, 5 plus 0 is 5. This is using the identity property because we have a 0 as one of our addends. If 0 is the first one, it's still the same answer. 0 plus 5, so you have nothing up here, 5 down here. You pretty much just took this domino and flipped it over. Is still 5. And if you add 0 to a number, that answer is still that number. That's called the identity property. Let's practice. 4, addend 4, plus 3, addend 3, and I'm going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 7. Now let's see if we flip this around. 3 addend plus 4 addend. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still 7. So if you know 4 plus 3, you also know 3 plus 4. This one is using the identity property. You guessed it. 6 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing there. So the answer is, it's pretty simple, 6. 0 plus 6. Nothing here. We have 6 right here. The answer is still 6. If you know one, you know the other. Now let's see, when we stack these numbers, does it make a difference? Nope. This is still addend, number 2. This is an addend, 4. And we're going to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I flip that stack over? 4 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is still 6. Let's go over here. 2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I flip these numbers, 5 plus 2, we'll start down here at the 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still 7. Let's go down to the bottom. Why is the sum the same when you find 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3? So we could say they're the same because 2 plus 3. Oh, my. I was already thinking of the answer. I'm just going to scratch that out. 2 plus 3 equals something, and 3 plus 2 equals something. Let's see if it's the same. 1, 2. I'm going to draw out 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. And I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try this one. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2. It's still 5. So the total is still the same, and the total is called the sum. So the sum is the total, is the same when you find 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, because they are the same addends. Let's go to page 13. Page 13, look at the top, number 5. 5 plus 1 equals, and then 1 plus 5 equals. If you count up all of these dots, you should get the answer here. The answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same thing here, but we're going to go the other way. 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 6. Let's go to number 6. 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4. Let's use these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 at the top and start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9. Those add-ins are the same. We just flip them around. Still get the same answer. 0 plus 3 and 3 plus 0. So that means this one I have 3. This one I have 3. But here there's nothing. So this is the identity property, which means the number will stay the same because 0 doesn't change it. 6 plus 3 and 3 plus 6. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 3 plus 6, and draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9. Very good. You guys get the pattern, right? 7 plus 1 and 1 plus 7. 7. Draw out your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1. The add-ins are the same. We just flip them. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I also know the answer to this is 8. But you might want to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just double check. 6 plus 2. Next problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. So I'm going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, look what they did here. They put the answer at the beginning. That's totally okay. Sometimes we'll flip the answer to the other side of the equation. This equal sign means that this is an equation, okay? So let's just start on this side, no problem. 1, 2, and then we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to say 8 is equal to 2 plus 6. Well, remember, we flip those so they're the same. We have an identity property. 8 plus 2